Hi guys, and welcome back to the 89 mini restoration. Obviously we've been a bit busy with a few other things. We're going to be back on this now, hopefully. I've literally got half hour, 40 minutes free tonight. But yeah, I'm going to adopt the Matt Green approach to things, and I'm going to pick every single moment I possibly can and get out here. My main aim before Christmas is I want the floor welded in properly, completely. Subframes back off, car flip back round, and we can begin welding it from the inside. It's a bit easier when it's split round, and we can do the rear quarters then the back end. That's what I want to sort of get done around, after early January, I suppose you could say. But I want to get the floor in before Christmas, so that's my goal before then. Really struggling with time, but there's no excuse, got to crack on. I've literally set up the welder, cleaned back some plug weld areas, and I'm going to start plug welding a bit more for seal in, see how much more I get done. I have been busy making some little repair patches up for the rear arches and some bits and pieces that you can't really buy a panel for, or I don't really want to replace the whole panel, so I'm putting a piece in. So I'll run through those with you. I've again adopted the Matt Green side of things, where I've basically recycled some old panels. There's no rust on them, they're the right profile steel that I want. Better than buying a load of sheet steel just to make a little load of bits up when I've got some metal here. So I'll show you those. I did that the other day while I was just sort of tinkering around, but for now I'll turn the camera around and I'll show you a few plug welds. You don't really need to see that, everyone sees them on YouTube, but just to let you know, I'm here, I'm plugging away on this thing, literally plugging welds. But yeah, I'm back on with this, so this is my main priority and I want to achieve those goals. So welcome back everyone. Right guys, that is literally, like I say, all I've got time for. I've literally just done like 5 or 6 tack welds, but like I say, it's a little bit every night maybe. We might get there with the free time that I have got. So I'm going to keep trying to do like that. I'm going to hopefully get a few days on this car and just really nail trying to get the floor in properly. Right, so yeah, I'll show you these little bits and pieces I've got down here. That's like the fuel line area. So I'll spin you around in a second. I'll show you where that goes, but obviously if you know of an MPI floor, that goes in there. And there's literally these, obviously I'm going to clean them up for doing anything, but I've noted all the bits and pieces I need, and I'll show you where. So for argument's sake, I've got that. I'm not going to replace the whole arch, it doesn't need to be replaced. Got that section there, and there's the same on the other side. So this is what all these little bits and pieces are for. That's where the fuel line bit's going, because I need to replicate this again basically, so I've kept this for reference. So I've got, what have we got there? 5 patches that I obviously need cleaning up, but they're ready to go in. So I'll just show you the other side. So you've got the same here, like bits that need putting in. I think it's only 2 this side. Obviously I'm going to trim all that out, but I made the panel a bit bigger to chop it out. So yeah, we're getting there. There's a few more plug welds on it there. All the obviously plug welds here are sort of semi being grind back. Once again guys, thank you for watching. I'm honestly overwhelmed by the fact that we're nearly hitting 400 subscribers, so keep following, and yeah, let's see what we can build between us all, because I always refer to us as we, because I think that we're all in on this. If you're watching them, you're obviously interested in restorations, and I feel like doing it on camera, I suppose, does sort of make you feel like you're sort of not on your own doing it, because you get the comments after and you get the feedback. So that's massively positive to me. I absolutely love that about it. So yeah, have a good one, guys. If you haven't already, please check out our secret Midas build. Episode 2 is coming very, very soon. What do you think of it? You know, do you want to see other cars like that? You obviously saw the sort of introduction to it, I suppose, and then the sanding down. What a cool bit of history that car is, and there's loads of other cars I can bring to the channel like that if that's sort of what you're into. But that Midas is a one-off car to me. I think the history it's got, I think the connection it's got with the family is, you know, second to none. Can't beat that. So please stay tuned for that. There's loads more coming on that car, and there will be a full review in it after that. So yes, have a good one, guys. I will try and keep maybe short videos like this coming for the 89 build. Let me know if you prefer short videos or one big chunky video. Please just comment below and let me know. So have a good one, guys. I'll catch you later.